the differences in opinion, we remain dear friends due mostly to her extraordinary tolerance and profound respect
Smile!
for other people's opinions.
Smile!
Although she would
Sige nga.
have been the last to
Oh.
impose her
Nice
will
smile.
on others, she would be the first to come to their aid. She was
Ano
among
ma?
the first to send her best
Smile
wishes
naman dyan.
and prayers when I was recovering from an accident.
Oh.
She
Sabihin nyo,
found
hello
time to
sa inyong
visit
lahat.
and
Hello
generously
sa inyong
offered
lahat.
the rosary given to her by Sister Lucia.
Kamusta kayo? Kumusta ka na? Oh, ako mabuti. Mabuti ba kayo? Medyo. Medyo. Ha? Medyo lang. Okay. Malakas ang TV eh. Ito si Mardy. Ang dakilang alalay ni Mayama. Ha?
Sidekick, body at katabi.
Yeah.
Until they would bodily remove me. Cory knew this
Sa YouTube,
and
nakapost yan,
quietly
ha?
smiled
Nakita mo?
to indicate that we could stay. Last week,